So Sally is making a terrible noise that I don't like. I think it's fixable. I don't think it's something that's catastrophic, but it's in the transmission. Every time I go to second gear, I'm almost thinking I know what it is, but we'll take it a drive down the road and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right. We'll go down the road real quick. See if y'all can hear it. Straight when I'm cruising, but when I get down on it and try to snatch it a second, so here we go. I don't know if y'all heard that. I feel like it's in the clutch cable adjustment though. We're gonna get the car up in the air and we'll take a look at it. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do up under here. This cable, there's a cable right here. It's on the driver's side. Yeah, that's pretty loose. Does not need to be that loose. If your clutch is engaging almost towards the floor, then you need to tighten up on that. Okay, here it is. So first thing I did was take that first nut off. That's the nut right there. And secondly, I pulled on this cable and I tried to hand tight this right here. I probably could have got it tighter if I just held this part with a pair of pliers and just hit this with the gun. Put it back together though. I need to find a lock washer, because that's probably why it loosened like that. Okay, found me a washer. So I'm gonna stick it on. It should do fine. We'll get it back together and then go out and test it. That's it, but you know, we got to test it out first. That's a lot better. That's a lot better. Probably can go do a few pulls and burnouts and stuff. test it out. Still scraping, man. Try it again. Not it. Back to the drawing board. Unfortunately, today was a fail. We did not fix the problem. So back to the drawing board. We'll see what happens. I have to try something else for the next episode, unfortunately. Please stay tuned. I'm trying to keep the content coming for you guys. Please like this video, subscribe. Peace.